Imagine gliding down a coastal highway, the horizon stretching infinitely ahead, in a machine that's more than a vehicle. It's a masterpiece. This isn't your average RV. This is the 2026 Prevost Toyota Motorhome, where engineering brilliance meets uncompromising luxury. If you thought the road couldn't be redefined, think again, because what you're about to experience is the pinnacle of road travel, reimagined from the ground up. Toyota and Prevost, two giants in their own right, have joined forces to create something that doesn't just challenge the norms of mobile luxury, it obliterates them. From the very first glance, the 2026 model demands your attention. Its aerodynamic body, sculpted with precision and flowing with elegance, turns heads whether parked or in motion. The sleek LED matrix headlights blend seamlessly into a front fascia that's bold yet sophisticated, and the dynamic chrome accents running along the side add a premium touch to its commanding stance. But step inside, and everything changes. You're not just entering a motorhome. You're stepping into a mobile luxury suite that rivals five-star hotel experiences. Every inch of the interior screams craftsmanship. From the hand-stitched Italian leather seats that contour to your body, to the rich walnut and brushed aluminum finishes, no detail is left untouched. Ambient lighting adjusts to your mood. Panoramic smart glass windows tint automatically depending on the sun's position, and the entire cabin is soundproofed for serene, uninterrupted comfort. Tech-wise, this motorhome feels like it belongs more in a concept showroom than on the road. At the heart of it is Toyota's latest AI-integrated infotainment system, a 27-inch floating OLED control hub that connects every system in the vehicle. Voice-activated controls manage everything from temperature to lighting to security. You get real-time diagnostics, 5G-enabled connectivity for remote work or streaming, and yes, there's even a dedicated VR zone in the rear lounge, letting passengers experience entertainment like never before. Underneath all that luxury is performance that surprises even the most seasoned car enthusiasts. Powered by a turbocharged hybrid V8 engine with 600 horsepower, this behemoth goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 7 seconds. A jaw-dropping figure for a vehicle of its size. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth, gliding ride no matter the terrain, and regenerative braking adds efficiency to every journey. Customization? Absolutely. Buyers can choose from multiple layout configurations, whether you're a solo traveler looking for minimalist elegance or a family needing a fully equipped mobile home. Custom exterior color schemes, solar-integrated roofing, heated marble flooring, and even a built-in espresso bar are all on the menu. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of lifestyle and ambition. The 2026 Prevost Toyota Motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about redefining what travel means. It's about moving through the world in a way that's powerful, elegant, and entirely your own. So if you're ready to leave compromise behind and embrace the future of luxury on wheels, this is your invitation. Like the video if you found this jaw-dropping, drop a comment below with your dream feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge automotive excellence. Your next journey begins here.